So we all dislike some subject, we all find some subject very difficult, and that becomes our weak subject. But what I want you to all to do is just write it down in the comment section which all is your weak subject, right? Once you have done that, let's come back to this video. Coming back to the video, now we want to make our weak subject strong, right? How to do it? So firstly, do not miss the class of the subject. Don't think that you should miss the class and things will go on themselves. No, you should go to the class, ask your teachers, ask your friends. Second, what to do? Make a study plan. For that, what you need to do is, in order to make a study plan, you can take the help of your parents, you can take the help of your study partner, make your friend as your study partner, and then work accordingly together, right? Once we have done that, what should we do next? So basically, we should keep on working that subject, right? So in order to work on that subject, we should practice more and more test papers, more and more mocks. More practice makes us more perfect. Last but not the least, we should keep revising that subject also. We read it once, we read it second time, we found it difficult, but third time, fourth time, you will improve yourself, right? So that is how you should be making your weak subject strong. Today's shout out goes to Sharya Boy and Athar. Stay tuned with Letstute.